All right, now let's talk about similar triangles, and then we'll use what we learn about similar triangles to solve and figure out what this x value is here. First, we need to talk about what we know about similar triangles, what they even are, and then we'll find out this x value here. That's going to be our goal, to find the x there. And here's what we have for our fact number one, our main fact that we're going to use. With similar triangles, the angles have to be the same. The corresponding sides are proportional. So if you notice here, the angles clearly look to be about the same, and they actually are the same angles. That qualifies these as similar triangles. And now we can use that fact and say that since they are similar, the corresponding or matching sides are all the same proportion, okay? In other words, the proportion from the lower base side of the small one to the large one would be the same as the ratio of the hypotenuse, the x here, is to the larger side, the 10.5 over here. And we would also say that the left side would have to be the same proportion, same proportion as well, all right? And knowing that one fact, that everything's proportional, is going to be how we can find the x value here that we're looking for. All right, so let's set up a proportion then with the ones we know and then with the one containing the x that we don't know. So I'm going to put my base or my lower side 2.5 is to 7.5 as x is to the 10.5. So with our proportion set up now, it's just a matter of solving. We know how to do this from previous examples. So I cross multiply. 2.5 times 10.5 is 77.5 times x. And now it's just a matter of doing the algebra. And I get x equals 3.5. So I can put that up here. And again, I can double check or check my answer to see if it seems about right. So yeah, it should be, the 10.5 is bigger than the 7.5. So I was looking for something bigger, not much bigger. But if it had come out, let's say, smaller, I would know I had built my proportions incorrectly or something. So double check that it's larger than this one and seems about the right proportion. So good.